that we finally cleaned this up. Couldn't do it because we had hatchlings over here, so I didn't want to disturb them too much. We've got younger ones here, but Crazy Colour's OG. He knows we're just cleaning up and he just sits on them and it's all good. It's crazy dude. So we just gave a nice little clean up. Took me two of those bins. Young ones are getting there. Small black line. Silver boy, which we swapped their first set of eggs, which is these ones here. So he's got 4 from them, which we're going to fly. That one's come up. Amazing. Got real nice. I left these ones be. Do those next time. Yeah, swap some eggs over here. These ones are coming up alright, getting there. One's coming up a baldy. These monsters. And we've got a red. And we've got an amazing black over here. Looks like it's going to come up with a white tail. Crazy. Then we've got these two. You can tell there's going to be some flies, man. That's for sure. So I'm not going to fly this one. The OG red bars. No way, bro. But these two are full breeding. They're only full breeding. They're ready for breeding, like this one. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 for flying. There's probably another 2 or 3 up there. That's 15 plus the 18, 33 plus the older ones, who are under a year that are starting to fly, molting and all that. Should have about 40. Should have about 40 flies. But for some, as you can see, I'm taking it really slow. That's it.